Today, we're taking a closer look at Irvine, California, and three very different homes currently showing what buyers can find in this market. I am sure you have heard Irvine continues to be recognized as one of the top places to live in Southern California. Niche ranked Irvine as one of the best suburbs to live in the Los Angeles area for 2026, and Wallet Hub ranked Irvine as one of the top cities in the country for raising a family in 2025. And honestly, when you look at the master planned neighborhoods, the parks, the schools, the shopping, the dining, you see Irvine, Irvine Spectrum, and the incredible sports facilities at Great Park, it's easy to understand why buyers keep paying attention to Irvine. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living in Irvine, California and the surrounding Orange County suburbs, then stay through the end. My name is Berit Hayden, and I have lived in Orange County for over 25 years. My team and I love helping people make their move to Irvine, California. All of my contact information is in the description below. Now let's take a closer look at the neighborhoods and these three Irvine properties. First, we're starting in the Northwood area of Irvine. This amazing luxury property is listed at $2,280,000 and offers 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and approximately 2,717 square feet. Northwood is one of those Irvine neighborhoods that has a more established feel, with tree-lined streets, community parks, and convenient access to everyday shopping, dining, and major Orange County routes. This area is also near Northwood Gratitude and Honor Memorial, which is such a meaningful and beautifully maintained community landmark. It is one of those places that really reflects Irvine's thoughtful planning and community pride. For buyers looking for more space, a large floor plan, and a neighborhood with that classic Irvine feel, this home is a great example of what the Northwood market can offer.
This $2,280,000 home has 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and is 2,717 square feet. Let's go look.
Welcome to this rare Irvine opportunity, a beautifully maintained single-family home on a quiet cul-de-sac with no HOA and no Melrose. From the extended 3-car driveway to the beautiful, cared-for landscaping, inside, the home is bright, welcoming, and thoughtfully updated throughout. The spacious living room features soaring ceilings, creating an open and airy first impression. The upgraded gourmet kitchen is a standout, with a gorgeous peninsula, classic cabinetry just off the kitchen. The cozy family room features a ledge stone fireplace. The traditional dining room brings an elegant space for holidays, dinners, and those moments where everyone actually sits at the table. One of the most valuable features of this layout is the downstairs bedroom and bathroom, offering flexibility for guests, multi-generational living, and a home office, or anyone who prefers main level convenience. Upstairs, the comfortable primary suite features an ensuite bathroom and a peaceful place to unwind. You'll also find 3 additional bedrooms and a secondary bathroom with a dual vanity and tub shower combination, giving everyone room to spread out. This home is located within the prestigious Irvine Unified School District. This $2,280,000 home has 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and is 2,717 square feet. Next, we are heading over to Woodbridge. This property is listed at $2,680,000 and offers 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and approximately 2,406 square feet. Woodbridge is one of Irvine's most well-planned communities, and it has a very different lifestyle feel. You have lakes, green belts, walking paths, parks, pools, tennis courts, playgrounds, and community amenities woven throughout the neighborhood. Woodbridge Community Park offers sports facilities and playground areas, and nearby Woodbridge Village is a popular spot for dining, coffee, and everyday conveniences. This is the kind of neighborhood where people love the established community feel. It is not just about the house, it is about the community around it. For buyers who want Irvine, but also want a neighborhood with character, amenities, and that classic village center feel, Woodbridge is definitely one to watch.
This beautiful lakefront property is $2,680,000. It's 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's 2,406 square feet.
A lake view home you will fall in love with. Welcome to this beautifully upgraded condo located in a highly sought after gated lakefront community where everyday living feels like more a resort getaway. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the peaceful setting and scenic lake views that make this home feel bright, calm, and inviting. Inside the home has been thoughtfully upgraded with rich wood flooring, recessed lighting, plantation shutters, and a beautiful gourmet kitchen featuring granite countertops and premium Bosch and Viking stainless steel appliances. The layout is designed to take advantage of the lake views from multiple living spaces, including the main living area and bedrooms. It creates such a tranquil feeling throughout the home, the kind of space where you can truly relax at the end of the day. Both bathrooms have been tastefully renovated with elegant finishes, including granite counters, a custom marble shower enclosure. There is also a versatile bonus room above the garage, offering extra space for a home office, fitness area, guest room, hobby space, or whatever fits your lifestyle. Additional features include a dual water filtration system and an energy-efficient whole house fan, adding comfort, convenience, and value. This beautiful lakefront property is $2,680,000 and 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The third property is in Cypress Village. This home is listed at $1,580,000 and offers 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and approximately 1,873 square feet. Cypress Village is a newer planned community in Irvine, and it has a clean, modern, very convenient feel. You have beautiful neighborhood parks nearby, including areas for outdoor play, sports, and community gatherings. Cypress Village Elementary is also nearby, which is one of the reasons this neighborhood gets attention from buyers who want that Irvine school and community lifestyle. Cypress Village is also convenient to the Great Park area, which has become one of Irvine's major lifestyle hubs. Between the amazing Great Park Sports Complex, trails, newer communities, and open spaces, this part of Irvine continues to attract buyers who want newer construction, planned amenities, and access to recreation. If you are looking for something with a more modern layout, lower maintenance lifestyle, and close access to newer Irvine development, this Cypress Village property gives you a good look at that side of the market.
This stunning $1,580,000 home has 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and it's 1,873 square feet. Let's go see.
Welcome to Cypress Village in Irvine, where convenience, privacy, and lifestyle come together beautifully. This 2-level townhome is ideally located just steps from the community park and pool, close to award-winning elementary and middle schools, and right near the Jeffrey Open Space Trail and Cypress Village Greenbelt. But what makes this home especially appealing is the way it offers that prime location while still feeling private and tucked away. You get the benefit of being close to everything without feeling like you are right in the middle of it all. Inside, the home is bright, open, and filled with natural light. The floor plan features 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, with every bedroom offering its own ensuite bathroom. That is such a valuable layout for guests and family members, roommates, or anyone who appreciates extra comfort and privacy. Upstairs, a versatile loft adds even more flexibility. It would work beautifully as a home, office, study area, playroom, reading space, or a cozy media lounge. And now for the standout feature, the yard. This home offers one of the largest yards in this community. With its private layout, light-filled interior ensuite bedrooms, flexible lofts, oversized yard, and incredible Cypress Village location, this home is a rare opportunity in one of Irvine's most convenient and desirable communities. This stunning $1,580,000 home has 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and is 1,873 square feet. And one of the things I personally love about Irvine is how connected it is. You have UC Irvine nearby, Irvine Spectrum for shopping, restaurants, and entertainment, and great park for major sports and recreation. You are also not far from Newport Beach, Costa Mesa, Huntington Beach, and the coast. So you can have that Irvine planned community lifestyle while still being close to the beach. I stopped by UC Irvine and picked up lunch from Super Irvine International Market, and I was so impressed. Honestly, some of the best sushi I have had. It melted in my mouth. It was so good. Irvine really does have incredible international food options, and that is another part of what makes living here so appealing. So which Irvine lifestyle fits you best? Do you like the established feel of Northwood? Do you love the lakes, parks, and village feel of Woodbridge? Or are you drawn to the newer planned community lifestyle of Cypress Village and the Great Park area? Each of these homes shows a different side of Irvine, and that is why it is so important to understand the neighborhoods, not just the price and square footage. If you are thinking about moving to Irvine, California, or anywhere in Orange County, reach out anytime. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, my team and I would be happy to help you make a smooth move. Please hit like and subscribe and comment below which Irvine neighborhood you would choose. And if you are thinking, I love Irvine, but I also want to live closer to the beach, make sure to watch my other Orange County videos on Newport Beach, Costa Mesa, and Huntington Beach. I will see you in the next video.